Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about the difference between RAM and NVRAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory, and it stores data temporarily. On the other hand, NVRAM stands for Non-Volatile Random Access Memory, which stores data permanently. We will also see how temporary data can be stored permanently on Cisco switches. For this, we will use two switches and update their host names, just like we learned in the last video. Now the name of switch 0 has been updated to S1. Now moving to the second switch to update its name to S2. Now the name of switch 1 has been updated to S2. Now we will go back to enable mode. Currently, we were in configuration mode. We will type the exit command. Now, we will use the show running config command to check what changes have been made to the switch during runtime. So far, we have only updated the host name. We will check if the changes we made are stored permanently by using the show startup config command. If it shows not present, it means the changes are not permanently saved. We will do the same check on switch 0 as well. Now the data we stored temporarily in RAM needs to be shifted to permanent memory, which is NVRAM. We will use the command copy running config startup config to move the data from RAM to NVRAM. After that, we will use the show startup config command to check if the data has been saved permanently. The data that was in running config is now stored in startup config. We have permanently stored the data in NVRAM on switch 0, while switch 1 has temporary data. Now we will check by shutting down the switches. So, the data on switch 0 has been stored permanently, including the switch name S1. On switch 1, the data was temporarily stored in RAM and data got erased when the switch was shut down. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.